QBR is another very, very big opportunity to make customers more self-service with. So I don't know how many of you are familiar with the QBR week that many CSMs do on a quarterly basis. It's a week that like they take screenshot and they build presentation and they only do it for top customers. So it's something that is not really scalable and you cannot do it for all of your customer base. So Vidyard, which is a video platform, they created an in-app, always-on AI-powered QBR for their customers. So this is actually a live example, and I have their consent to show it to you. So this is the actual Vidyard platform. So once customer clicks here on the Success Hub, this page is actually embedded component that takes information from the product telemetry that Vidyard owns about their customer and surface a live QBR or value snapshot that customers could take and improve on their own. And with that, and Vidyard uses Ever After and base for both QBRs and onboarding, they were actually able to really improve their onboarding and to reach to a 100% of QBR coverage. So we have the in-app QBR that could live inside your platforms. But in many cases, you have customers that either you would like to share like a QBR or a value snapshot or recommendations to someone that maybe is a decision maker, but not necessarily will be the one that will actually perform some of the recommendations. So